Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. In today's video, I'm going to do one of my favorite cuts of all time, the beef Wagyu tri-tip. It's really easy to do, to cook, to cut. Years ago when I was a little apprentice butcher, this was just thrown into mince, or just made into mince. We didn't use anything off it. It was just really weird, but now it's a real fashionable cut to use and it's really super tender. So we're going to jump into this and show you how to trim it all out. So what we've got here is a Wagyu tri-tip. You can just see the marbling in it before I've even started. It's so cool. Look at that. Woohoo! So what we're going to do, we're going to take off these little pieces here, little pieces of gristle that you can see. This is just part of the muscle. So just grab your knife and again, just slowly go down, take it off, and then this will open up more and more marbling, as you can see. That is so cool. Go down, trim it all up, then over here you'll have a little bit in here as well. This bit is a bit more trickier because it's hollow like that, but you'll get used to it, just the way you hold your knife. There you go, take it off slowly, and again that opens up more marbling upon marbling. And again in this little corner up here, so this bit here, where it's connected, so just make sure you take that off because that'll be very chewy otherwise. You can see this, make it all straight. I take these pieces of fat off on mine, don't need it. And, oh man, this is going to be cool. And on this side's how it sits, so this doesn't have much on it on the back, so just finish it off down there. And just look around for these little bits like that. Oh, look at that! Just opening up more marbling. It's like an unveiling of presents. And now my cat and dog are fighting behind me. He's saying I want my lunch, and she's saying I want the scraps too. So let's trim that up there. And that's pretty much it. Trimmed it up, really basic to trim, and then we're going to reverse sear this because as you can see the thickness of it, pretty thick, so we're going to reverse sear this. We'll put the instructions on how to reverse sear in the comments below, and then we're going to chuck it on the big green egg ladder for dinner. Remember to like and subscribe my videos, and I'll catch you up soon. Thanks a lot.